Today's featured advertiser is eXp Realty Natchez.
Look.
What are we looking at?
We are actually doing it, y'all.
Oh!
We're actually doing it.
We're looking at us.
Yeah.
Actually going to celebrate our 20th wedding anniversary. 20th.
20th. If only. 9 years was a better time for
I would
me.
like to get those 9 years back.
Yeah, no kidding.
That would be nice.
That would be nice. No, 29 years, we waited 3 days.
Yeah.
Later, and now we're going to New Orleans to do a little celebrating and then back to port. But
And what is our celebrating going to entail?
eating in New Orleans. You got to go to New Orleans and eat some food.
And shop for the house.
And shop for the house.
It's not a big celebration.
No, but I've been to New Orleans a couple of times to just deliver stuff. But we haven't been here to
And
experience.
I hear, so Austin told me, they went and picked something up for us at the bank, and I hear that it is like mind-blowingly overwhelming, all the stuff that they have. Would you agree with that assessment?
Well, it's not what I remembered. I don't know if we went to a different place. It's like all doors and shutters. Yeah, there's not much like interesting things and bars and millwork. It's more just like we've got 10,000
We have doors. We got doors.
Shutters,
you need doors? We got doors.
and a few mantles.
Okay.
But that's pretty much it.
So we may not have any luck with our pocket door hardware there. I was hoping for pocket door hardware.
Yeah, I know. I didn't explore a ton. I went into the back where all those come in, but I did go all the way up front and come back with. So I may have missed something.
We'll see.
Yeah. So
You're explaining in great detail.
Of doors.
Well, let's keep our fingers crossed we can find the door we need. Between the dining room and the kitchen and the living room and the bedroom, right?
Right.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. We've arrived. We're at the bank. We're gonna ask for a loan. You think they'll loan us doors at the bank? No?
That's a long drive.
It is a long drive, but we made it. So here we go. Let's check it out. These doors are nice. You want to use these?
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
Good. You don't need any help?
Look, I have found heaven. Look at all the things. Well, Kevin.
Well, yeah, found a couple of things. Maybe probably make them more.
The fatal mistake was made, though, correct?
Fatal mistake
The fatal mistake was made.
by the owner of the bank.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to tell him the fatal mistake?
You tell him the fatal mistake.
He decided to explain to me how my pocket doors work and how I didn't know what I was talking about. And that it didn't matter if it had a floor track to start with. I could make a hanging track work.
We're not those people.
And so I said,
Turn left.
well, it's been
Then
one way
keep
for
left.
200 years and I intend to keep it that way. Kevin loves to drive in traffic in large cities.
Well, they're gonna start getting mad at me because I'm in the wrong lane.
It's his Achilles heel. Okay, bye-bye. Hey, love.
Hello.
Where are we? See if you can say it right.
Ghirardelli's. There's a chocolate. I've been promised chocolate.
We're at Galatoire's.
There you go.
And they were very gracious to us. We knew we were not dressed appropriately. Kevin does not have on a business shirt.
Shoes,
I don't think tennis shoes are the problem. It's the shirt.
Oh.
So
collar.
we had to
Golf.
sit in the bar. But I'm going to show you. You can see in the mirror, because we're not dressed appropriately,
Hey.
we got this entire side of the restaurant to ourselves. So really, it feels quite fancy and special. But we will be going to the bakery next door before we leave.
Oh.
You must
What about
see.
Cafe Du Monde?
Well, we'll do that too. I'll buy some things at the bakery to go.
To take them home.
And we'll eat beignets
There you
while
go.
we look for other architectural salvage
There you
places.
go. That sounds good.
Do you see anything on the menu you like yet?
I barely started to look.
Okay. Galatoire's.
Galatoire's.
Or
Galatoire's.
Ghirardelli.
Ghirardelli, Galatoire's.
Take your pick. Okay, I did also say, I don't understand how Natchez, Mississippi is not a much bigger tourist destination. It's 2 years older than New Orleans, right? 2 years, isn't that right?
I do not know.
I think it's 2 years older than New Orleans. We have more houses, and it doesn't reek. I said I felt like I needed to take a whole entire shower after walking off of the street in here to eat lunch. Why are there not more people in Natchez, Mississippi? Come see us. Okay, what'd you get?
I got the chicken Creole. Which, you know, you get me down in Nolan's, I'm going to be eating some kind of Creole.
There's Lance, our
Something,
server.
yeah.
He's done an incredible job.
I appreciate it. Thank you. And what did you get, my love? Take a bite and then I ask you a question? Okay, we're going to get close up.
This is the stuffed eggplant, and it is stuffed with crab meat and shrimp, and apparently a little bit of angel's wings and heaven dust, because that may be one of the best things I've ever put in my mouth.
That looks good. And then we got this bread here.
You're gonna have to have a bite of this.
Mine's nice and spicy. Mm-hmm. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Hello.
Hello from
Hello, Big Easy. We're on Royal Street this time.
And it's round.
It's a, oh no. Lane has found Mecca.
I have made it to Mecca. Can we go in?
Sure. So this is MS Rel.
This is a museum that sells its pieces.
Yeah, basically. We've been here a few times. I thought this was it. This isn't what you want? It's too new? So it is our anniversary. If you want to get us a gift.
But not this.
Not this. Okay, well I was gonna say it's $298,500. I bet you they'd knock 500 off, you know? So we'll keep looking so that you guys can get us the perfect gift. Because I know you do. I know you want to get us the perfect gift. Okay, yeah, there's more around here. 1988's kind of new too.
It is. It's about 100 years too new still.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful set. And a beautiful
Not
case.
bad. Ready to
Proceed to the
travel.
route.
And this is much cheaper. This is only 188. So if each one of you, 188,000 of you will pitch in $1, we'll get it. It's gone weak in the knees over.
That sounds perfect. I'm actually antique shopping right now.
You want to get this for the door? Is this for the door?
I am. Thanks so much.
Probably wants this.
Okay.
No. Oh no.
I will say, you're in luck.
Am I?
Because, hey, put it back on me. Don't show the goods. It probably might.
That is the goods. You are the goods, baby.
None of this is old enough for me. There's only been one piece that would fit
Georgian?
my collection. It was actually Renaissance. So all the rest of this is like Victorian and newer stuff. So who needs an 88 karat sapphire, right? If it's set in the 40s.
Ridiculous.
Okay, Mr. Barry.
Yo.
So we were accosted by a street vendor
Yes.
who asked us if they could ask us a couple questions. And what was your answer?
We're not taking any questions right now. Isn't that the best?
That's how you handle
That's how
tourist
the
traps.
politicians do it.
That's right.
We're not taking any questions. Thanks.
I'm Tammy Pack.
I'm Jason Dahl.
I'm Marla Toman. And we're eXp Realty, Natchez, Mississippi. Why buy Natchez? We have beautiful, affordable homes, gorgeous cottages like the one we're in today, with an average sold square foot price of just over half the national average.
Natchez has small town southern charm.
And front porch vibes. Our Restoration Nation, are you looking for a project?
Well, the state of Mississippi offers historic tax credits.
And it doesn't even have to be on a commercial building. It can be your personal residence. Wes and I just got our check.
Why buy Natchez?
It's the oldest city
On the highest bluff,
on the mightiest river in America. If you want to see all the beautiful listings in Natchez, follow us on Facebook.
Now we are at Ricca's, and they got some cool stuff. Let's take a little tour, shall we? See if we see that beautiful girl. There she is. Overwhelmed yet?
Oh, never.
There's a lot.
Just don't have time to do everything we need to do. That's the problem.
Yeah, we only have like, what, 30 minutes, 10
I think
minutes?
we have 10 minutes.
So it's a little more affordable than MS Rel, huh?
A little more what we're looking for.
Yeah. Lots of cool stuff. I mean, look how well displayed everything is. It's pretty amazing. Huh?
There's the awesome slide bolts. We need some of these.
This is too new. We need rollers too.
Rollers?
for those windows in the back.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, one of everything. Look at all this stuff. Beautiful doors.
Oh, look, they've got the floor rollers. So maybe they have the floor
Track.
track.
You already bought that one though, didn't you?
Oh, right there.
Is it too late
Is that
to?
it?
No,
No, that's not it.
that's not it. That's a new hinge.
Sorry, I got excited.
Yeah, you got excited. There's some rollers though,
Yeah,
right
there's
there.
a ton of rollers.
Look at that. We need those. Give me one of all. Look at all these plaster medallions. Look, 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 look. Real plaster medallions. Look at this. I'm gonna have people flooding here, aren't I? At least checking out their website. So many cool things. Oh, here are all the doors. Maybe I can find doors here. This keeps going. Ooh, just wood. I shouldn't get that excited about wood, should I? She's looking for 6-panel doors. Pretty rare, evidently. Not sure why.
Look what I just found. Look what I just found. This is the exact plaster frieze that was in Louise in the dining room.
I love those things.
Now we're doing this. This may be the best part of the trip. Hi there. Oh, there we go. So, tell the people, Lane, we were going to go to Cafe Du Monde and get
Yeah, it's too hot.
fried dough,
We decided it was too hot for
but it's
fried
97
sugary
degrees
dough.
outside, so we're doing ice cream instead. Right?
Yeah.
Makes sense. Shock everybody, I'm getting chocolate. That's the only flavor there is as far as I'm concerned. How delicious. She got strawberry ice.
Which is exactly what we need on this 9 billion degree day.
Yeah. We are at Angelo Braccaro. You can read that backward. He gets 4.8 stars, Lane. Gets 5 for me.
Yeah.
At Hope Farm, and I can see some evidence of things that happened today. So they had to build up some of these things, some of the studs that they had cut down over the years to put vents in, that kind of thing. But that's not cleaner than it's been in forever. They did take the trim off the bottom that we will be putting back and using the original as much as possible. But they are getting all these walls ready for drywall, so that's pretty exciting. That's coming next, coming soon to a TV near you. Got another package for Boss Lady.
Boss Lady package.
I know, this is going to your head. I think she's in charge of this whole thing.
Oh, it's a hat, which you know I need.
Cool. Pink hat that says Boss. I love it. I love
Eve, you are
it.
the best. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't get into it.
It's impenetrable.
It really is.
Snap
they
it.
wanted this cap.
Hey, you did it. It's gonna go great with your dress.
Girlfriend
Yep.
is wearing it every day.
Yep.
Every day.
That's crooked like mine.